Hi guys, welcome to Ketoverse 24/7. Today we have delicious keto simple salami platter, a low-carb keto recipe. Before continuing our low-carb keto recipe, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more updates on keto recipes and diet plans. You can follow us on social media, links are in the description. You can also order your custom keto meal plans and cookbooks right now by clicking link in our description. So let's continue our today's video, stay tuned. Simple salami platter. Filling, delicious and simple salami platter that you will start to make often. A healthy, keto-friendly platter that can be prepared in 10 minutes. Just make sure to get salami that doesn't have added sugar. Servings. 1. Ingredients. 2 cups spinach. 1 egg, boiled, cut in half. 5 salami slices. 6 olives. 1 tablespoon. Mayonnaise. 2 ounces. Cucumber, cut into circles. 2 teaspoons. Olive oil. Salt to taste. Procedure. 1. On a plate, place the spinach and drizzle with olive oil. Season with salt to taste. 2. Now layer the cucumber circles and salami slices. 3. Add 1 egg and olives. 4. Serve with 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Nutritional information. Energy 365.7 kcal. Protein 18.6 grams. Fat 30.5 grams. Carbohydrates 4.2 grams. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. Please like and share this recipe and do subscribe our channel for more updates on ketogenic diet plans and recipes. You can follow us on social media, links are in the description. You can also order your custom keto meal plans and cookbooks right now by clicking link in our description. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. See you in the next video.